Hey. Y'all already know. Welcome back for a quick little video. Now, guys, I don't even know where to start. Because like y'all already know what I'm getting ready to say. This right here is some bullshit. Yeah, it is. All right. When I tell y'all I don't know what to say, I don't know where to start, I just don't know. Let's just go ahead and throw it out there. All right, now Liv. I'm slightly confused on what you are doing. I'm wondering, Liv, if there is something actually really wrong with you. Okay, I am wondering. I don't know if someone needs to go ahead and rush for you to go to some type of hospital, so therefore you can have some type of evaluation to make sure everything in your head is turning and working correctly. All right. Now, Liv, you came on here. I want to say it had to be like, what, 2, 3 in the morning or whatever. I was sent the video. All right. Because I can tell you right now, I probably got the alert, but it ain't no way that I am getting ready to get up at that time in the morning to look at a video that made no sense. All right. This video made you look like a complete jerk. Okay. So someone, you say, decided to go ahead and break into your home. All right. Now, this right here is what really got me, y'all. So listen to me clearly. All right. So you see the smile on my face. You see the happiness on my face. All right. This is the same type of happiness and smiles when Olivia decided to turn that camera on so that she could do what? Go ahead and create a new storyline so Liv can do what? Get up to that 100K because so Liv can do what? Liv is trying her hardest to get where Chrissy is at. I don't know what Liv actually is going to do next, but let me tell you guys, Liv is going to get there. I don't know if the next thing is going to be, she is going to literally get into a physical altercation with someone. I mean, I don't know. All right. But before we get into that, let's do this real quick too. So Liv was just on a live that I just got finished watching where Liv was telling us that she loves dick. All right. That is what she said. She loves the, you know. All right. Now, Liv, we already know that you do. We already know that. You didn't have to remind us of that. But what I was sent here today is to tell you, Liv, that your friend Misha, I give y'all a couple months. Because I doubt if you guys will be friends that long. She was actually on your live reading your comments and said, do you not see these? All right. On that live, I don't know if you know Liv, but what she did was she made you look kind of like a fool. All right. But I'm going to go ahead and leave that alone because I already know we are going to come back to revisit this, what I just said about you and her, at a later date. So I'll go ahead and wait for it. Now, Liv, let's get into your ass. All right. So you said someone broke into your home. You said that they stole 3 phones. All right. Liv, what you got to know is that if they broke into your home and they stole 3 of your phones, what that means is that is somebody that you know. All right. Because if somebody was going to break into your home and steal something, you have an Apple computer. They would have took that. You have an Apple desktop. They would have took that. But the only thing that they stole from you and kicked your door in was 3 phones. So with that being said, Liv, that would literally have to be someone that you know. So it would literally have to be Gerard, or it would have to be Brandon. But you know what? I don't think Gerard kicked your door in. Because the reason why I say that is Gerard already know how it is going to go down. Gerard is very much African American all the way. No stops, no turns. He is what it is. All right. So how Texas police are, they would have tied him to the back of their bumper and dragged him right on out that complex or whatever. And I can tell you right now, Gerard ain't for that. Gerard ain't with the police. I clearly don't even know him, but I can go ahead and get that sense that he not with it. All right. Now, Brandon. I don't know too much about Brandon. I don't really care. But what I did hear was Brandon was over the age of 40. All right. I don't know if Brandon has just got out of jail like people are saying. But yeah. See, when you deal with those type of things, allegedly, if he has, allegedly, when you deal with those type of human beings, some people just don't give a fuck. Some people just don't, you know what I mean, have an off switch. Some people you can run into and you can go ahead and try them if you want, but they will show you one time that they are not the one. So I myself, my subbies, I mean everything, King, my Yorkie, he is looking at me like, Reese, what is going on? All right, Liv. You had the police in your home, and you also had the maintenance people in your home. I mean, Liv, you, like I said, you are walking through your home talking about, oh my God, I have such, you know, I'm bad luck or whatever. Have mercy on my soul. I mean, you guys. Then, while this is going on, one of your subscribers say that, you know, they are doing nails. And I mean, the time that, you know what I'm saying, your house has been broken into, you are saying, oh my God, I want you to do my nails. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. Then you go on and you say, oh, I'm going to show you guys what happened. I need to show you guys what happened. This is how my night is going. And, you know, you take the camera over to your front door and your door is on the half. All right. It is looking like, you know what I'm saying, somebody was outside your door and was kicking your door in. Remember you said that you are not afraid of black people or whatever. So the way that you are right now, it makes me see, because you said you're not afraid, is that this had to be a Caucasian person. Now, don't get it twisted or whatever. Y'all already know how I feel about my Caucasian sisters, all right? No, none of that over here. You get what I'm saying? But, you are just happy as I don't know what. Fuck Trump. Fuck everybody. But Liv, I don't even think that you realize that. You know what I'm saying? You told, oh, I'm sorry. I don't even think that you realize that you told us that your kids have sleeping problems. So you always up with all of your kids all different hours of the night, every night. You said your daughter, you know, the baby, she has a sleeping problem. You said the Christian, you have to get up on and off to make sure that he goes to the bathroom. So you mean to tell me at this point, somebody kicked your door in like that and you didn't hear it and your kids didn't hear it, as you are in a confined small place? That's some bullshit. So Liv, you are lying somewhere, and therefore, you know what I mean? Come clean, tell what happened. Somebody kicked your door in, and the way your door was kicked in off of the hinges, I can tell you right now, your neighbors, they definitely are reporting that. Because if they, y'all go back and look at the video. The way that her door was off on a half, like her door was a little drunk, like you know how she be leaning, the door was on lean. All right. So with that being said, somebody in her apartment complex next door, across the hall, wherever, they heard it. And they probably were scared. They probably was in their peephole looking out like, Donna, the girl across the hall, the one with the 3 kids. Yeah, the girl, the one who always wear the pink and white tie-dye romper. Yeah, and the ponytail and her kids' hair don't be done. Donna, you don't know who I'm talking about? No, Sam, I don't know who you're talking about. What? All right, I'm going to show you in my cell phone who she is because I took a picture of her in this fucking romper. Her mother got the boots. Her mother always had the boots on. No, Sam, I don't know who you're talking about. Donna, her mother has the boots on. Oh, okay, I got you. The one that be driving the Benz that be sitting outside a lot of the nights and she be like in the car for like 2-3 times, you know what I'm saying, a night because we don't know what's going on. Yeah, Donna, her door, come on. Oh, I'm coming. Look at that shit over there. They are kicking her door in. Look at that. Well, Sam, call the police. I'm not calling no goddamn police. I'm trying to see what's going on over here. Oh, her door is completely kicked in. Yeah. Oh, well, I'm saying I don't even want to be in it because I don't want nobody in this building to think that I called the police. All right, Sam, let's go ahead and lay back down. Okay, Donna, later. That's exactly how the people were in your building. Yeah. But you know what I mean? You was dressed. All right. You had your hair in a ponytail. You look like at this time you had actually even took a bath. All right. I mean, you were happy as can be. And the thing that really got me was when you said, yeah, I just want to know. I just want to know. I just want to know if I have to pay, you know, for my door being kicked in. I just want to know. I'm looking at my damn phone like this bitch is crazy. This bitch right here is always on her best bullshit. But tonight, I think that it is off the meters of her bullshit. All right. I mean, you are not worried about your kids being worried or, you know, you say that they're asleep, but it's no way in the world that your kids would have still been asleep and not hear all of that commotion at the door. It's no way. Because the way your door was, they had to come up there and hit it and tack and do something. So therefore, I know that your neighbors heard it. I'm pretty sure your kids heard it as well. You probably just had them in a room at this time of this filming. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, it's no way. If my home would have had, my door would have got kicking in, that's why I can tell y'all that this has something to do with either Gerard or either Brandon. You get what I'm saying? Because what you normally would do is, you in a house by yourself, I'm going to call my boyfriend. I'm going to be like, my shit just got kicked in. Like, this is crazy. I'm going to need you to come here. Right or wrong? You didn't do none of that. Now, I don't know, like I said, but what I'm saying is the shit was crazy. Now, maybe you had Gerard. This is, you know, me just saying. It's not true. I'm just saying. Maybe you had Gerard over there and Brandon knew. And Brandon, the senior citizen, came over to kick your shit in because he knew that Gerard was there. Because what are you doing, Liv? Playing games. You already seen in the live whereas though you wanted to show him and then he said, you can show me. You can show me when I know that this is real. In other words, he was saying, you can show me on your camera, on your YouTube channel, when I know that me and you are real and you're not up to no bullshit. You are not going back and forth fucking with Gerard. Because see, that's what y'all do. All right. I myself don't even know why Gerard got a girlfriend because I already know that you and Liv, y'all still dabble a little bit in each other. And her, she must be kind of simple just like Liv because, come on now. Come on now. All right. You bitches, y'all need some type of class to learn how to play your cards as they are dealt to y'all. Because the shit that I see y'all do, it's kind of like these bitches are fucking ridiculous. All right. They are definitely ridiculous. So they broke and kicked your door in for 3 phones and ran out the house. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Down in the comments, Tell me what you guys think. Like I said, or did you have Brandon over there and did Gerard come? You get what I'm saying? But for some reason, I don't think Gerard had anything to do with this. I really don't. I really, really don't. I look at the Gerard and see, you feel what I'm saying? That I don't think he's trying to get in a fight with anybody. It is what it is. But yeah, I mean, you were just as happy as can be. Say, okay, you're done with my door? Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Yeah. Yep. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and want to get off of here, y'all, because it took me a lot to make this video because this is some bullshit. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Later.